Welcome to this ToolHound Learning Center video on customizing your home page with favorites so that you can quickly and easily access the functions you use on a regular basis. Favorites can be assigned by role or by individual. Use the Favorites panel as a set of quick links or bookmarks for frequently used tasks for a specific role. This is great for new users so that they don't get lost. We'll walk through creating a role and setting the favorites appropriate to that role. We'll create a new role for TC Counter. We aren't focusing on the details of creating the role, only the favorites. So we'll expand the transactions block, and on the far right, we'll select as favorites issue return, reassign assets, and issued assets email. Next, in the inventory block, we'll select favorite for part number, serialized items, retired items, and adjust inventory. Finally, in the reporting block, we'll select reports before saving the role. Next, we'll create a user called Counter. Again, we're not focusing on the details of creating the user, only assigning the new role with the favorites. So we'll assign the role TC Counter and save the new user. Let's log in as the Counter user. The Favorites panel includes all of the shortcuts that we assign to the role, so everything can be accessed with a single click right from the home page. Any favorites that are assigned to the role cannot be removed by the user, and the right click is blocked. Individual or personal favorites are controlled by the user. Logging in as the same user from the previous example, we'll set our own personal favorites. Logged in as the same Counter user, the role favorites are displayed. Let's add a personal favorite. We can do this by right-clicking on the menu option and selecting Add to Favorites, then refreshing the Favorites panel. Note that when we add our own personal favorite, we can right-click and select Remove in the panel. Let's add another favorite. So to remove a favorite, we can remove it by right-clicking and selecting Remove, or we can do it directly from the menu option. Let's add another favorite. Note the difference in the color between personal favorites and role favorites. Let's review what we've learned so far. Favorites can be set by role or by user. Favorites set by role are not editable, but individuals can have full control over the favorites that they set and remove. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, please contact our support team. And remember, subscribe and hit the notification bell.